Hello, I am the unknown target here to review for the Transformers 3D Series Gamer Edition Voyager class, Ratchet. What the fuck? Get out of get shot. Hey, here's the figure. Here's the figure, and the figure is very good. I like it. Love the design, love the rib cage aspect, and whatever the hell this is. The Gundam-like face. So why does this look cool? Might be thumbnail, but I already have a thumbnail in mind. The back actually looks nice despite the big backpack and kinda hollow stuff there. Yep. I overall really like it. I like the combination of red and white. It's the best. It's the best Ratchet colors for Ratchet. Michael Bay, why did he make him green? Out of any fucking color, why does it have to be green, Michael Bay? Yeah, it would have been much cooler for Ratchet in Michael Bay movies was red, white, instead of piss green. No, instead of fucking neon green. Articulation. Head can move up that far, down that far. Look left, right, and I mean you can't attempt to do a full 360 like I did there, but you most likely damage this piece right there. The one thing I hate about this figure is there's a hinge bulge right here, so that's the first time that happened, and of course it happens on camera because all of the bad shit happens on camera. Why? And why when bad figures are good on camera? What the fuck? But fuck it, I would do it off camera. Okay, got it back on there, and I mean, yeah, to remove. With this out, arms can move full 360, but oh yeah, can do this for articulation, transformation? Yeah, again full 360. So can move up that far, and looks goofy as all hell. Back just looks it's floating. Side is really good. It's actually really good, but look kind of stupid. It's like ambulance logo looks janked up, and the bicep swivel, a bend at the elbow for normal way, and fuck, I broke my arm way. Hit full 360, the arms, wrists, and move full way 360, and you can do the ab crunch, but don't recommend it. Motherfucker. Can I move forwards that far, backwards that far, out to the sides, thigh swivel, ankle pivot. It's weirdly tight though. Why the fuck do you make it tight? You can move up, move down for toes. The articulation is really good, but I probably can't see because of white on white. Again, sorry for background, white on white sucks, but actually don't look that bad. Man, I'm thirsty as fuck. Hey, for the accessories there, like standard thing for Gamer Edition, minus Devastation Optimus Prime. You can make them handicap. Then replace them with a prosthetic weapon. Yes, this is what you got. What most people would do with this. Just have it like this. Have their weapon like this. And not whatever the fuck this is. But give me all your money. Alright. Nope, not gonna do that. Most of you guys will just tab it in here, but for you guys who, for weapon storage, it's just pop, see this peg, and shove it up the asshole. Do that. Then, oh yeah, the arm storage is just like this. Like, there we go. Get back to that with a transformation later. And if the enemy comes close to you and the blaster isn't working or whatever the hell, you do get melee. Nice axe, very dull. Very dull axe. I mean, yeah, it's a kid's toy. What do you expect? To be Kane Toy's level of sharpness, and just twist at their end. I hate the fact it's soft plastic, but again, kids might poke themselves in the eyes with this. So don't poke this in your eye, fucking dumbass. Size comparisons. If you noted that if you remember that I said the head looked like a Gundam head, here's the Barbados Lupus. Actually, white and white don't look that bad though. Zoom off to the side. Another Voyager class. Here's a Prima. Way taller. Both are Voyager class. One's taller. Another Voyager class here is. Here's Railert. They're on the same height. Other Gamer Edition shit is one of the worst figures in my collection. The Decepticon Soldier. I'm gonna ask Megatron to just blast him to mother. Fucking hell. I mean. Now here's a... Nope, I'm not gonna do that shit Starscream impression. Here's Starscream. Starscream is actually a great figure. It's just the time... It's like, funny enough, I saw this dude in Walmart and there's just a whole line of Starscreams. Like, no one wanted this figure for some reason. It's a good figure. Why y'all don't want it? Let's press this out to transformation. Now just rip this off and now remove this. I hate this. I fucking hate this. It's twisting. No, it's off. Wait. Yo! If you're out of makeup, wait. Ratchet got an RPG now. It actually made... Oh yeah, I forgot. It's also you can just shove in the hole in front to have violator thing. I don't know, just harpoon gun. Retrieve the arm from the back and now transformation. Like, the first step for transformation is nothing you've seen in a main line. More or less borderline masterpiece. Just that was some masterpiece level type shit. Then the backpack gets removed. open this up. Open this, put it here. Now I jump scare you with this part. Dog. Just hinge this up here. Oh yeah, and you could see the head just goes down. Arms. And one thing I hate about this is that it just keeps falling off. It's way too easy. Just untab this. Tab it here. And now tab it there. Should be like right here and same thing on the other side. Now we're done. Now just close this up over there to make sure to tab it in, because like on my figure, like it don't want to tab in, like it just refuses to tab the fucking. Rotate the waist, rotate above the knee, fold this up, fold this up. No, I'm gonna unfold this. Oh. Dear God, what the fuck? Why is it always acting like grape? Open this up, now tab that here, and feet just fold this down, open this up. Same on the other side. Okay, now once you're done with that, simply just tab, line this up and there, tab these two sections here, rotate, fold this around. I'll just right there, and now just. Oh yeah, one thing this does happen a lot, which sucks. And tab that there. Then I have to fold that down so that this sucks. I hate this. Like tabs don't want to do their job and tab the fuck in on this guy. Just okay, now just unfold this up and jet there in. You're done. It's an, you do get this. And yeah, it's really nice. So the car mode is really good. I mean, looks like a, I don't know, Hot Wheels something. I don't know. Really great car mode. And storage. There are tabs here. There's there are tabs to just. Where the fuck's the weapon storage at? Oh yeah, tabs right on the back, but it shows clearly see this tab at there at the axe goes right on top. Handle. Open cool to have the gun. It'd be able to. Fuck it. If we're transformed to such persons, then I'll be back. Here is Voyager class Prima Prime, and yep, I love how it actually fills this and doesn't leave an unsightly gap there. Move over for red alert. Yep. Oh shit. Tap, then tap. Damn it. fucked up in this part, but Red Alert. I prefer Red Alert's design vehicle mode more because you do get big clear cannon and more cannon and few ports to arm himself. You could arm him quite a bit. But we're not here for Red Alert. We're here for this piece of shit. It's flat as fuck and hard time transforming. So let's get better with a much more better whoosh, whoosh, a better figure that whoo. Here's Gamer Edition Starscream. And you saw him peeking in the corner. Barbados Lupus. If this was an actual size of a car and if the car was like this big, if this was the size of a normal car, this would be quite big. Overall, this figure is great. A great representation of a Ratchet. There's no original Gamer Edition Ratchet figure. I recommend to get this one or Ironhide. Depends on which one you like or prefer. But yeah, I really recommend this figure. It's like great paint job, the good paint, decent articulation, actually great accessories besides that stupid fucking axe. Transformation was good, but the tabs don't like to line up on my copy, and yeah, that was it. Yep, that was my review for the Transformers Studio Series Gamer Edition Ratchet. I rated 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. And yep, that's a review. As always, goodbye.